Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a closer look at the Zeely AI app and ask, is it legit? In order to do so, here we are in the Zeely app for iOS. And what's Zeely all about? Well, you can generate videos and creatives for your future ads, and you can create AI avatar videos, you can create static ads, and it will help you through the process to be able to do that to hopefully grow your company. I will say that having spent some time with it, one of the big things for me when it comes to getting started with a new app like this is I want to be able to test it out. I want to be able to try it out, see how it works. And the fact is that it doesn't seem as though there is a free tier in order to get started with Zeely. And another thing is that it continuously crashes. So it could just be my device, but those are kind of some big things there as far as barriers to entry. Let's go ahead and click on Get Growth so that you can see here for yourself that it does seem to have some good reviews. But as far as getting started with it, you are looking at, for a 1-week plan, it's $24.99 per week. And that's actually on sale. Normally it's $49.95 per week. So I would say that if it's something where I can't use it before I can test it out to see if it's going to be something that works for me, then this to me is a lot to ask to take the plunge in any app. So is it legit? Well, the App Store seems to indicate that people have been happy with it, but as far as me trying it out and getting into it, getting a lot of crashes, and I would say that the subscription plan to me is very limiting, and it's a reason not to continue. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link in the link tree, you will get $50 to start an account with Simply. And once you've gotten started, you can refer your friends and family and get $125 per referral, and they'll get $50 to start. It is a win-win situation. It's a great deal. Simply Financial is a great bank and comes highly recommended.